Well, welcome students. Today we will start with the fifth chapter, expansion formulae. Certain formulas you have learnt in your 7th standard. We will start with the revision of those formulas. The very famous formula that you may be knowing, a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then, okay, you remember no this formula? Same way, now we have another formula, a minus b the whole square. One formula where you have addition between two terms. The next formula where you have subtraction between two terms. We have separate formulas for both. One for addition, one for subtraction. That is, here the expansion will be a square because we have subtraction. So next sign minus 2ab plus b square. Minus sign when you have, it will be alternate. Minus plus like that. Okay, minus plus. In the coming days, we will be doing more formulas. So there you will get a better idea. So for the time being, you know about these formulas. Then we have the next very interesting formula, that is, if you have addition between two terms multiplied by, this dot means multiplication, multiplied by subtraction between two terms. A plus b into a minus b is equal to, the expansion can be written as a square minus b square. The reverse way also you should be able to identify. If you see a square minus b square, it can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, same way, if you see a plus b into a minus b, that can be written as a square minus b square. So these three formulas you have learnt in your 7th standard. Now these formulas we will apply in the sums given. Use the formula to fill proper terms in following boxes. Please solve along with me and get the answers before I get it, because you have already learnt this formula and this is just a revision. Take the first sum. We have the first sum as, first question is x plus 2y the whole square. Okay. So here we have between two terms addition and whole square. So which formula you will be using? You will be using a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b the whole square formula will be, if you are putting equal to here, then you should not put here. Only one equal to should come. So here you can put therefore, or just write down the formula. A plus b the whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. You should know the formulas thoroughly. So we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you can write for a, so you will never go wrong by this method. A is x, comma, b is 2y. A is x and b is 2y. So this way you will compare. Now wherever you see a, you will write x. Wherever you see b, you will write 2y. So you will never go wrong. So start with this equal to a square. A is x. So x square plus 2 into, what is a? X, into, what is b? 2y, plus b square. What is b? 2y, and remember square. So if you put this way square, this means the square is only for y. But b square, so b is 2y, the whole thing is b. So you have to put the bracket and write square. Okay, here no problem because you had only the variable, you had no coefficient. Only one term, no? That's why. So let us solve. X square will be x square plus 2 2s are 4 xy plus 2 2s are 4 and y square will be y square. Now here we can't solve it further, no, because there is no like terms. If you had x square here also, x square plus x square will become 2x square. But here you have no like terms. One is x square, 4xy, 4y square. Okay. So this is the solution. Now see in the question how they have asked. They have put a box here. So you also put the box where they have asked us to put the, fill in the terms. Okay. So we have 4xy will come in the box. Hope you understood. Same way we will solve the remaining sum. The second sum, 2x minus 5y the whole square, will be box they have given minus 20xy plus box. Okay. To find out what will come in this box, we will use the formula. We will expand and then we will write the answer. So as you can see here, between two terms you have minus sign and the whole square. So the formula that we are going to use is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply it here. As I told you, a will be 2x and b will be 5y. We have separate formulas, one for plus and one for minus. So in the formula, which is equal to, in place of a you will write 2x, in place of b you will write 5y. So a square means 2x the whole square minus 2 into a is 2x, b is 5y plus, what is b? 5y the whole square. Coefficient is there, no? 5, 2. So you have to put whole square. Now carefully multiply. 2 square will be 4 and x square will be x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, x and y, xy plus 5 square it is. In hurry burry some students write 5 2s are 10. It is 5 square. 5 square. 5 into 5 is 25 and y square. So this is our answer. Now where you have box? Here. So in the first box we will have 4x square, and then in the third, that is the second box, the third term will be 25y square. Isn't it easy? Now the third sum we have 101 square. Now here the question is use the formula and fill in the box. We have to use the formula. We can't write 101 into 101 and write the answer. Multiplication is not asked, whether you know the formula. So which formula we will apply here? We can write 101. We always try to go for simple ways. So the easiest method is we can write it as 100 plus 1 whole square, no? So the whole square. 100 plus 1 is 101. So we are not changing the question. We only changed the way it looks because we have to apply formula. We know the formula of a plus b the whole square. So now this is looking like a plus b the whole square. A will be 100 and b will be 1. Expand. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Substitute now. In place of a, 100. In place of b, what you will write? 1. So a is 100 and b is 1. So in place of a, 100 square plus 2 into a is 100 into b is 1 plus 1 square, which is equal to 100 square. So 4 times 0 you will put. 0, 0 and 4 times. Plus 2 into 100 will be 200 plus 1. Now carefully add from the units place. Now 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then you have 0. Then you have 2. Then you have 0 and 1. Okay. You can't add this way horizontally. Write the numbers vertically and add. Now let's see what they have asked in the box. They have asked in the box as this they have asked. That is 100 square plus 2 into 1 square, or this is the box. Here you put the box 100. Then here we have one box and 1 square will be 1 only. Then the final answer we have another box. Neatly put the box and submit the answer. So next sum you have 98 the whole square. This can be written as 90 plus 8 the whole square. That way also you can solve. But 8 table and if I write it as 100 minus 2 the whole square. 2's table is very easy compared to 8's table. Anyway, you can write, but we want to make our work easy. So instead of writing 90 plus 8, 90's table and all I have to do, what will be better if I write 100 minus 2? 100 minus 2 is 98 and 100 is an easy number. 2 is also an easy number. Here you will apply which formula? A minus B the whole square formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So what is your A? A is 100 and B is 2. Wherever you see A, put 100. Wherever you see B, put 2. So this will be 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 2. B is 2, no? Plus 2 square. 100 square will be again 4 zeros you will put minus 2 into 100 200. 200 into 4 will be 400 plus 4. Okay? Or 2 2s are 4. 4 into 100 400. Now do this operation very carefully. First you have 10,000 minus 400. When you have addition and subtraction, what comes first that you will do? Here subtraction is coming first. So do the subtraction. So this you will be doing this way 0 0. 10 minus 4 will be 6. This will be 9. And then we have plus 4. So final answer we got 9604. Where is the box? The box is here. 10,000 minus box. Put the box. And here also you have a box. And the final answer also you have a box. That's it. Now we move on to the next question. Next question they are asking, that is fifth one. 5m plus 3n and 5m minus 3n. Here you don't see whole square, but you see first term plus second term and same term, same first term minus second term. Okay, so this. So here we will be using the formula a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So a is 5m and b is 3n. In place of a, write 5m the whole square minus 3n the whole square. 5 square will be 25, m square minus 3 square will be 9, n square. Okay, 3 3s are 9 and n square. Where is the box? The box is here as well as down. Here also you have the box 25 m square plus 9. Complete the box. Square should also come in the box. Okay, so this way we have completed the revision questions. Start with the new formula for your 8th standard, new expansion formula. X plus a multiplied by x plus b. What is the expansion of this formula? Okay, if I give you this way to remember, you will never go wrong with the formula. Even if you forget in the exam, you can draw this figure and recollect the formula. So we will learn this with respect to a square whose side is x, and we know sides of the square is same, no, equal. All 4 sides are equal. Then we will consider plus, then we will consider a rectangle where you have x and a, no, 2 different. So let the length be a and the breadth be x. Then again we will consider a rectangle, another type of rectangle, where we will consider the length as, any way you can take, length as b and breadth as x. No, because I see xa, xb. So one rectangle xa, another rectangle xb. Then we have the fourth rectangle that we will take it as, the fourth rectangle we will take it as A, let the length, breadth be A and the length be B. Okay. So now use the formula of the area of rectangle and square. What is the formula of area of square? Side square, no? So x means x square plus. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So x into A, xa, plus area of this rectangle will be length into breadth. So xb or bx, anyway you can write, plus this rectangle's length and breadth is A and B. So length into breadth means AB. So now these two are like terms, XA and XB. So I can write x square plus, what is like term here, which is the same, which is the common term here, x, no? So x I took common. What is remaining? A plus B. X I took out, what is remaining is A plus B, plus what is the last term? AB. So this way you can remember the formula, but in the sums we will take it directly. So what is the formula? X plus A multiplied by x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus BX plus AB. X square plus A plus BX plus AB. Okay, will you remember? X plus A into x plus B is equal to x square, that is square. Square, area of square is x square, plus when you added both the rectangle, you got A plus B into x. A plus B into x plus AB, next rectangle. Okay. Understood? So you will remember the formula. You have to by heart the formula, and then we will solve practice set. Okay, so we have practice set 5.1 related to the formula. Which is the formula? Here, as you can see the question, A plus 2 and A minus 1. First term is same, but the remaining all different terms. So you will recollect the formula. Okay, we have learnt one formula where you have x plus A and x plus b multiplied by x plus b. Correct, no? You have learnt this formula where x, see, one term is same, whereas the other two terms are different. So you will remember that, okay, here I have to use this formula. What is the expansion of this formula? Just now we learnt x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. Say it 2 to 3 times. You will be very good with the formula. X square plus A plus BX plus AB. Now compare with the question. X will be A and A will be 2. If you write this way, no, you will never go wrong. X is A is 2, X is A, correct, no? What is B? B is minus 1. You have to consider the sign here. In the beginning also I told you, in the previous formula which you learnt, we had A plus B the whole square one formula and A minus B the whole square one formula. Already we have two different formulas when the sign is plus and when the sign is minus. Now A square plus 2AB plus B square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. We have two separate formulas. But in this formula, you don't have a different formula. You don't have to learn one more formula for x minus A or x minus B. Like that, you don't have a formula. You have only one formula. So you will consider the signs in this formula. Whatever is the sign also, that you have to consider. So here A is 2 plus 2. So you need not write here plus. It is understood. But B is minus 1. That you have to write. So here you should be very careful. Okay. After getting x, A and B, we will substitute the values in this expansion carefully. So start with equal to. Wherever you see x, you will write A. Wherever you see A, you will write 2. Wherever you see B, you will write minus 1. So say and do. In place of x, we will write a square plus bracket start. A is 2 plus, what is B? B is minus 1. Write it in bracket. And x is A plus A is 2 multiplied by, the multiply, no? B is minus 1. Okay, minus sign you put it in bracket so that you have no confusion. So the expansion will be a square will be a square. Plus into minus will be minus. What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. A. Plus into minus. Here it is multiplication. Huh? So plus into minus will be minus. 2 ones are 2. So we have the expansion as, so final answer, a plus 2 multiplied by a minus 1 is a square plus 1a. In place of writing 1a, you can just write a minus 2. This is the solution. Hope you understood. Only you will get the formula clearly. Okay, so we need practice. Let's take the next sum. Now in the second sum you have m minus 4 into m plus 6. Use the formula x plus a multiplied by x plus b. Formula is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now compare it with the formula. Compare it. X will be m. A is, see, take the sign also. A is minus 4. X is again m. Correct, no? And b will be 6 plus 6. Wherever you see x, you will put m. Wherever you see a, you will put minus 4. Wherever you see b, you will put 6. Okay. Put it in the formula. So start with equal to. With this equal to we are starting. In place of x, we will write m square plus bracket start. A is minus 4 plus b is 6. Bracket close, multiplied by m. Remember, x is m. Plus a is minus 4. Please put it in bracket because two signs you have to separate. Into, for into you can put a dot. B is 6. Correct? Before going to the next step, please check whether you have written it correct. Otherwise, we will have to redo the sum or you will get it wrong, no? So, is it correct? In place of x, we put m plus a is minus 4, b is 6, m plus minus 4 into 6. Now, slowly let us open the bracket, which is equal to m square will be m square only. Now, here be careful. Minus into plus minus. 6 minus 4 is 2. Which is bigger number? 6, its sign is plus. Plus and plus is plus only. M. Over. Now this side. Remember here multiplication. Plus into minus, minus. 6 4s are 24. Okay? When you multiply, you don't put the sign of bigger number. When you put the sign of bigger number, when you are adding or subtracting. In multiplication, you will directly do this plus into minus minus. So that sign you will put. When you are adding or subtracting, you will see minus into plus minus. So I will do subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then I will see which number is bigger. 6 is bigger. 6 sign is plus. And here already plus and plus will be plus. So you have this as the answer. Okay, children. Now third sum you have p plus 8 and p minus 3. Same way, using the expansion, you will do this as homework. Okay, so this is homework. Same way, you see the formula and expand it. Now see this sum, the fourth sum. Whenever you learn new formulas, don't forget the old formulas which you have learned. Now this sum can be done by two ways. This is same like, see now, 13 plus x, 13 minus x. This is same like a plus b, a minus b. So you can solve this sum either by this way or you can solve it by x plus a, x plus b. This way also you can solve. But this formula is much more easier than this one. So let us solve this sum by a plus b, a minus b formula. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Any method you solve, you will get the same answer. So we will make it easy for us, no? They have not told us that you solve by this formula only. Okay? If they say that you solve by x plus a, x plus b formula, then you have to use this. But here the question is just solve or use the formula of expansion. So this is also one expansion formula and easy also. So compare what is a, here this formula we are not using for the time being. So let us compare what is a. A is 13 and what is b? B is x. Correct, no? A is 13 and b is x. So what's the answer? A square. 13 square minus b square is x square. 13 square is 169 minus x square. Okay. So by using this formula, we got this as the answer. Now let us try this formula. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x multiplied plus ab. So x is, compare the number. What is the question? 13 plus x and 13 minus x. This is the question, no? Yes. So when you compare, what is your x? X is 13. A is x. X is 13. B is minus x. Okay, correct, no? X is 13. A is x. X is 13, correct. B is minus x. Put it in the formula. Wherever you see x, you will put 13. So start with equal to. In place of x, you will put 13 square plus bracket start. A is x plus b is minus x into x. No? What is x? Oh, sorry. X is 13. Very sorry. X is 13 plus what is a? A is x multiplied by b is minus x, which is equal to 13 square 169. Now see here, plus into minus, minus x minus x will be 0. Correct, no? X minus x will be 0. 0 into 13, 0 multiplied by any number will be 0 only. Now what is happening here? Plus into minus, minus x into x is x square. So what will be the final answer? 169. This is already cancelled. Minus x square. Compare. Same answer we got? Yes. Okay. So as I told you, this method was very easy. Easily we got it. This method is little lengthy but easy only. Now let's take the fifth sum. The fifth question goes this way, where you have 3x plus 4y and you have 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 5y. So compare with the formula. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Compare. X is 3x, a is 4y, x is 3x same and b is 5y. This will be very easy because there is no minus sign. Very easy to get. So quickly let's solve. Get the answer before me and check. Which is equal to x square means x is 3x. So in place of x I'll write 3x, but remember to put the bracket and whole square. Plus a is 4y plus b is 5y multiplied by x, x is 3x, plus a is 4y into multiplied by b is 5y. Now 3 square is 9, x square is x square. 4x plus 5y, both are like terms. 4y plus 5y, both are like terms. 4y plus 5y will be 9y plus sign into 3x. Plus, if you are very good, you can directly multiply and write the final answer. Plus, see here children, you have to multiply. 4 into 5, 4 5 is 20. Y into y, y square. Okay. So here 9x square plus 9 3s are 27. X into y, we will write in alphabetical order. X comes first, so xy plus 20y square. If you can do it directly, then you need not write this step. Directly you can write the answer. 4 plus 5, 9y. 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27, xy. Or you can write one more step and do. All according to your comfort zone, you can do the sums. Now we have the sixth sum this way. 9x minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. So let's write the formula. X plus a, x plus b. In the exam you have to write the formula. So always make it a habit. X square plus a plus bx plus ab. Compare. X is 9x. A is, you have to take the sign also, minus 5t. B is 3t. Okay. B is 3t. Substitute here. Wherever you see x, you will put 9x. So, equal to, in place of x, we'll put 9x square plus, bracket start. A is minus 5t plus b is 3t multiplied by 9x plus a is minus 5t, put it in bracket, into b is 3t. Okay? Which is equal to 9 9s are 81 x square plus minus into plus is minus, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, how you are doing? Minus into plus is minus, 5 minus 3 is 2. Which is bigger number? 5. 5 sign is minus, so put a minus and then you have t. So here separate it this way, multiplied by 9x. And what you have here? Here you have multiplication, so plus into minus, directly you will put minus. 5 3s are 15. T into t is t square. So now we have to arrange this. 81 x square you will write as it is. Plus into minus, minus. 9 2s are 18 and tx. Minus the remaining part, that is 15t square. Hope you understood. Okay, this is the solution. Now we have the seventh sum, m plus 2 upon 3, m minus 7 upon 3. Don't worry when you see this fraction form, same method you have to follow. X will be m, a is 2 upon 3, b is minus 7 upon 3. What is the formula? X plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Substitute. In place of x you will put m square plus a is 2 upon 3 plus b is minus 7 upon 3. Put it in bracket. One more bracket. X is m plus a into b. A is 2 upon 3 multiplied by b is minus 7 upon 3. Okay. Now let us expand, which is equal to m square plus, this plus we will write, then we will solve the bracket. As you can see, both the denominators are same, so we will put 3 and you have 2 plus into minus minus 7 and we have m. Now the remaining part. Here you see multiply, no? So plus into minus minus multiply. 2 7s are 14, 3 3s are 9. This one we will solve. We'll put m square as it is. Now in your mind calculate. 7 minus 2 is 5 upon 3m, which is bigger number 7. 7 sign is minus. Minus into plus will be minus. And the remaining part as it is. So this is the answer. Now we have the 8th sum. The question is x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. This is same like the sum that I explained before. Here you can use which formula? This is same like a plus b, a minus b. Okay, which is equal to a square minus b square. With this formula you will get the answer fast. So a is x, b is 1 upon x. Substitute here, you will get, in place of a put x, x square minus b is 1 upon x the whole square. So what will be the answer? Here I'll solve. X square minus 1 ones are 1 and x square square will be x square. So this is the answer. Either use this formula or you use the formula that we learned just now, you will get the same answer. But by using this formula you will get it soon. Okay, so always go for easier steps. Okay. Now we have the last sum. I want you to solve it. I will help you out. So according to the formula, x plus a into x plus b, you have x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So always write what is x? X is 1 upon y. What is a? A is 4. What is b? B is minus 9. Substitute in the formula, which is equal to x square. X is 1 upon y the whole square plus a is 4 plus b is minus 9. Okay. X is 1 upon y. Go slow, very calmly do. Plus a is 4 and b is minus 9. Okay. So now multiply. 1 square is 1. Y square is 1 upon y square. Now here this confusion we will solve first. Plus into minus minus. 9 minus 4, 5. Which is bigger number? 9. What is the sign minus? So minus 5. Minus into plus will be minus only. So you have minus 5. 5 ones will be 5 only. And we have y as the denominator. Plus into minus minus. 4 9s are 36. This is the answer. If you want, I will explain it once again. Plus into minus minus. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 is bigger, so I put the minus sign. The same way, plus into minus will be minus only. So with one more step you can write, or you can write as per, in one step only you can do mind calculation and solve. So this way we have completed the practice set. All the sums I did. Practice it well and we will be meeting in the next class. Bye students.